Hi, folks. How are you all doing today? So, today we're learning about something new. Okay. Like in the programming concepts, we have discussed few things already, right? So, we have not discussed in detail about like operators and all yet, right? But yeah, I would also like to tell you about what is the difference between assignment operator and the equality operator today. Okay. I do understand that you do not have an idea of what is like what are operators basically, right? We'll discuss about them because we're not doing any language specific things yet, right? I mean, we've not started that in an official way in the channel, correct? So that's why I'm not really focusing upon the operators yet, right? But yeah, definitely we'll be discussing about operators and other few concepts which are very much important for us to discuss, right? We'll be discussing all of them in the channel, right? But I would definitely like to, I mean, give you this thing, right, where you are understanding about what is the difference between equality operator and assignment operator. Okay, so assignment operators and equality operators, most of all people will have confusion in this, right? So let's start off like assignment operator is there, okay, and equality operator, right? I'll just increase the font size. Okay, I'll just minimize this. Right. So how do you actually represent an assignment operator as one single equal to sign? Okay, this is called as assignment operator basically, right? Assignment operator. Okay, and then you have dual equal to and triple equal to signs. These are equality operators. Okay. So both like what are we using this assignment operator, and for what are you using these equality operators? So you'll understand along with the examples today. Okay. So assignment operator, when you just want to assign some value to your variable, then you'll be using it. Okay. Or some expression maybe, right? Let's suppose, let's take an example of assignment operator example. Okay, first let's take the example. So let's suppose I'm just declaring a variable called as x. Okay, I want to initialize this variable with value 10, let's suppose. Okay, so here you can see we are using x as the variable, right? After this, we have this assignment operator, and then we have the value 10. Okay, like anyhow, we are just declaring this and initializing this value in terms of the variable declaration part and all, right? Basically, if I have to generally talk about this, then 10 is being assigned to the variable x. We say it like this, right? So 10 is being assigned to variable x. Okay, that means x has the value 10 in it now, right? So that means we're just assigning this value to this variable basically. Okay. Now, if I say x equal to 12, okay, that means what I'm doing here, I'm assigning value 12 to x again, okay, I'm reassigning the value, right? So basically, when you are assigning something, I mean, giving some value to the left hand side value or variable, right? So then you use the assignment operator, okay. Now, this doesn't mean that like these two things are equal, right? These two things are not equal here. Basically, you're storing this thing into the left hand side operand, right? So this is how it is. Okay, this is assignment operator. Okay, like you're just storing this 12 inside the x. Okay, this doesn't really mean your x and 12 are equal to each other, right? Here, it is just you're assigning the value or you're storing the value into the left hand side expression basically. Okay, it can be any expression on the left. Whatever is on the right is being assigned to the left. That is how it is. Okay, so RHS and LHS we say, right? RHS right hand side value and LHS left hand side. Okay. So RHS is being assigned to the LHS expression. Okay. So it can be any expression or a statement, whatever it is, right? So it is just being assigned. Now let's talk about equality operator, which is two equal to signs, right? So example of this, like if you have a condition, let's suppose, okay, now I'm writing x equal to 12. Okay, and then I'll just say console.log x. Okay, so I'm just writing this is just a basic example here, right? Here what I'm doing, x equal to 12 means that we are comparing. Okay, both are also called as equality operators or comparison operators. Okay, so these are like comparison operators, right? So equality operators have dual equal to symbols, right? Comparison operator, this is like a comparison operator also, okay? So you have other comparison operators also, right? These are one of them, okay? There are multiple comparison operators, like we have discussed about this in our previous videos also, maybe, I think. So greater than equal to is there, less than equal to is there, right? Then you have equal to, not equal to, and you have greater than, less than. So all these are comparison operators only, okay? And having two equal to signs is like the equality operator also, okay? This is called as equality operator, right? Why and what exactly this means, right? So here you're just assigning this value 12. No, so not assigning the value 12. Basically, you're comparing this value 12 with the variable value x, right? So what is the value of this variable x here? It's 12 already, right? So 12 and 12 are equal or not, you're comparing. Here, LHS should definitely be equal to RHS, only then this will get executed, right? When the condition is true, only then the if conditional will execute, right? That means you're comparing both of them here, okay? You're comparing both of them to be equal or not, right? So that means we can say like this. So here you're just saying LHS equal to RHS or not is being checked, okay? So that's why this is called as comparison operator, right? So in what terms is it being checked? Okay. What do I mean in what terms? In what terms means like x is a variable now, right? And 12 has integer value, correct? So basically the 12 and the 12 are being checked, okay? Both are equal or not, right? So the values are being checked, okay? In this term, the values are being checked or compared. The values are being compared. Okay. Now, what if I write, I'll just copy the same thing. Okay. So here, if I say triple equal to, then, then I just mean to say here that the values are being compared, however, right? Also, the types are being compared. Okay. So you can see the values are being compared, along with that the types are also being compared, okay? What do I mean by types are being compared, right? Type is nothing but data type here, okay? So x is having variable, right? So which is having integer value, that means this is the integer data type here, right? 12 is also an integer, so both int and int, they're equal. That's how this condition will become equal, okay? So let me just run this. So you will have 12 and 12 because these two are however equal and the types are also equal, right? So here instead of writing 12 as an integer, if I write it like a string, then you will not see the next 12 coming up, okay? Reset and run. So you can see only 112 is being given as the output, right? Because here when you have two equal to signs, only the values are being checked, right? Okay, here it is also checking the data type. Now this is a string data type, right? So that's why you're not getting the value as the output, okay? Because this is integer data type and this is the string data type. Both are not equal. Definitely this will not get executed, okay? So let's check it like this also. You can see it is giving the output, okay? Here with this two equal to symbols, it is not really checking the type of the data. It is only checking the data, Okay, not the type basically. So this 12 and this 12 are equal, no, however, because 12 and 12 are same. Yeah. So only if the values are being checked, then you will be using dual equal to. If you're using triple equal to, that means you mean to say your computer that you definitely have to check the type of the variable also, and both the types have to be same. They should be matching. Okay. Like if I just say this here, then it will not have any objection. Okay, let's see. See, it is printing 12 and 12, right? Because this is a string type now. Okay, so this also has a string value and this also has a string value. So both are strings, types are being matched. So that's why you got the output. Okay, if the type is not the same, then you did not get the output. But if the types are same, then you got the output. Okay, so this is the difference between the assignment operator, equality operator, and the triple equality operator. Okay, so triple equal to sign thing, right? Most of the times students get confused here, right? So they always write one single equal to sign in the conditional statements, which should not be done, because single equal to is never considered as a comparison operator, right? So in the if conditional statements or if else conditional statements, you definitely have to use comparison operators only, right? Comparison operators you'll be using. Along with that, you can also use logical operators in the conditional statements, right? Like logical and, logical or logical not. But you can't really use a assignment operator inside the conditional statement. It will automatically raise an error when you're doing that. Okay, so it's syntactically wrong and semantically it is not giving any sense at all, right? So if you just write x equal to 12, why are you assigning 12 in the conditional statement to the x? Correct, semantically it is completely wrong. Okay, so that's how this thing works, right? I hope you got this and you have a clear idea now what exactly assignment operator is and equality operators are, right? So if you have any questions, you can raise in the comment section below. So if you're new here, please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Okay, so yeah, and any other concerns if you have, or regarding anything, or if you want me to specifically do something, you can absolutely comment in the comment section below. Do let me know everything, right? So also do submit your projects if you're doing something, and if you want to show me, if you want to share it with your other part of the world, right? The Folks Up community, you can absolutely share in the comment section below. Okay, and if I really like the project, then I'll be also showing those projects in my videos, right? I will talk about them, um, and I'll be proud of it if you do so, right? So please do share your projects with me, so that you can get the recognition which you need, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be meeting you all guys in the next video. Okay, so bye bye and have a great day all. Thank you so much for watching.